Hey, see how I left my kitchen last night? Madre mia. Ooh. Okay, let me enter work. You want grill?
Yes, you want grill.
How many do you want?
Two.
Huh?
Me.
Yeah. You can see?
Me too. Mommy, don't say that Alcampo is working like this.
Is it? What? Why didn't you tell Daddy to massage your ankle yesterday?
Because Daddy, he do it strong.
Daddy did it.
No, he didn't do
No,
You don't want it to be good.
no, you don't want it to be good. When I took that, Daddy don't make massage or something like that.
Daddy doesn't.
Make massage.
If Daddy want the massaging.
Come and eat. Later I'll massage you before you go to school. Kitchen sparkling once again.
National president Prince Tai, Ike Kumezonte. Eh?
I'm back. Time to eat my own breakfast. Today, I'm having cereal, cornflakes, and some pork. Now I'm ready for today. I have a lot on my plate today. I'll first of all reply to urgent emails. Yeah, when I wake up in the morning, I check my email to know which one is urgent. And yeah, if there's no urgent email, I usually reply my email in the evenings when I wake up from siesta. Yeah, maybe as I'm cooking dinner, I'm here, I have my laptop here replying my emails, responding to YouTube comments, you know, something like that. Yeah. So there are 2 urgent emails that I need to attend to this morning. And then I have an ongoing back and forth with a structural engineer. Yeah. He sent me a plan that I need to look over and make some changes and get back to him. That one is long overdue. I'm always saying long overdue, yeah. Because, yeah, my days are so filled up that sometimes I get to do things last minute. So, some information about what is happening here. Lots of people, from my experience, 99% of people who want to build houses, either a personal house or a commercial build to rent house, do not know how to read a house plan. If you know how to read a house plan, let me know in the comments. What happens is that when people want to build, they call a builder and say, I need a 5-bedroom house, for instance. And the builder copies and pastes existing building plans they did for another person. The person that wants to build a house accepts it without even looking at it. And bam! Construction work starts. When the house is done, they find that the hallway is depressingly dark because there's no natural light coming in. And in a country like Nigeria where there's incessant power cuts, you don't even have electricity to light that hallway up. The bathrooms are too small. You know such bathrooms that when you're taking a shower, water will be pouring on the toilet. Like there's no demarcation between the bath area and the toilet. When someone wants to use the toilet immediately after you've showered, they would have to step on a wet floor and sit on a wet toilet. Ooh, oh my God. I hate that. Someone spent so much money building a house, yet it's not standard. You'll be hissing for the whole time you're living in that kind of house. That's where I come in. I go through these plans on the owner's behalf and make sure they get a standard livable house, not the one that they will be managing. I make notes of questions I will ask everyone concerned while going through the plan. I ask important questions like, why do you have 10 fancy pillars for this small house? Why is the master's bedroom too small? Why is there only one socket in this big living room? I get them to make the necessary changes. We go back and forth till I am happy. And when I am happy, the owner of the house is happy. Hey! After how many hours? It's almost 1 o'clock. After so many hours, I have a preliminary list of questions to ask. I've actually started a conversation with him. So yeah, but I need to go and prepare lunch for my kids because very soon they'll be back from school. I've also been eating my akiaosa. Yeah. So after so many hours of back and forth, going to measure spaces, like when I see a measurement, I go to actually measure a space here to get a feel of how big it is. For instance, the bathrooms, I need to make sure that it's big enough. And then I was making notes, and yeah, I think I've achieved something. Let me go and prepare lunch for my kids. My kids will eat potato porridge today. Very quick to prepare. So that's lunch for today. Kamsi's and Neddy's lunch. When I tell them that I prepared potatoes, they will be frowning. They don't like it. Hey, they don't like it at all. That's why I have to put these hot dogs to help them enjoy it. At least we see something that they like in there. That's it. Few vegetables, that's how they like it, if at all. Then hot dogs. I'm ready to go pick them up. I have 10 minutes to play around, so I'm going to press my phone while I wait. In 10 minutes time, I'll go get them. Go get them. Go get them. And that's my morning routine done. I'm so tired. I need to sleep. Me and this my sleep, oh, but unfortunately today is a no siesta day because Kamsi has basketball practice in the evening and I have to go drop those books that I didn't drop yesterday. Of course, when you're watching this video, it won't be yesterday anymore because I'm not going to post it day by day. Come and take your food, Kamsi and Ned. They'll have it with orange juice, freshly squeezed. I and hubby had semo and egusi soup again. Did you see the time? That's when I woke up from siesta. I managed to squeeze in a siesta today that I'm not supposed to sleep in the afternoon. Oh my God. It's time to cook dinner. Jollof rice. Jollof rice with vegetables. Come see. Have you done your assignment? You don't have assignment. You did it in school. And Neddy? Come here. Come here.
Yes.
Have you done your assignment?
No.
Come here. You have assignment.
Yes, it's more.
And so? You do it before you start playing. Go and get your assignment and do it now. We were supposed to eat moi moi today, which is Beans Tuesday. I forgot to bring it out from the freezer to defrost on its own. As far as I'm concerned, the fastest way to destroy frozen moi moi is to defrost it in the microwave oven. I don't like warming it in the pot straight from the frozen state either. So I had to quickly change plans. You can see that this chicken is still frozen. I just brought it out from the freezer, but this one is easy to defrost under the tap. Is this the only assignment you were given?
Yes.
I and Ned had an evening snack of strawberries. Hubby and Kamsi had apples while we were sleeping. We had dinner. Here's our menu for the day at a glance. I and hubby lounged for a bit watching Divorce Court. If you want to know the things you should not be doing in your relationships, you should start watching Divorce Court. This program should be called Relationship Advice Court, to be honest, because Judge Lynn does not spare people who behave badly. She has kind of mellowed down in their latest episodes. We prefer the older episodes. They are all here on YouTube. Bye bye. See you soon.